Welcome to Lose Zone, where I help you lose weight and feel great, one simple step at a time. Trying your best, but the scale won't budge? Chances are you're making one or more of these 19 common mistakes. Stick with me till the end, because the bonus tip could be the easiest, most powerful change of all. Let's jump in. Mistake number 1, skipping meals. Look, I get it, you want to cut calories fast, but skipping meals actually slows your metabolism down, and later, it triggers those cravings that make you raid the fridge. Mistake 2, relying on fad diets. Juice cleanses or super low-carb plans might sound tempting, but they only lead to short-term wins and long-term frustration. Go for something sustainable, not just sensational. Mistake 3, not tracking what you eat. Most of us totally underestimate our portions. Use an app, jot it in a notebook, or even voice memo it. Awareness equals control. Mistake 4, drinking your calories. That fancy coffee or sweetened tea. It can pack in hundreds of empty calories. Swap it out for water, black coffee, or herbal tea. Mistake 5, cutting out entire food groups. Carbs and fats aren't your enemy. Cutting them out throws your body out of balance. Smart carbs and healthy fats actually fuel you. Mistake 6, focusing only on the scale. The number on the scale isn't the full story. Weight changes with water, hormones, even muscle gain. Track how your clothes fit, your energy, and your progress pics too. Mistake 7, not eating enough protein. Protein keeps you full and helps you hang on to muscle while you burn fat. Prioritize it at every meal. Mistake 8, overeating healthy foods, nuts, avocados, granola. They're healthy but also calorie dense. Stick to smart portions. Mistake 9, not getting enough sleep. Less sleep means more hunger and slower metabolism. Try for 7-9 hours, your body and mind will thank you. Mistake 10, being inactive. You don't need a gym. Walk, stretch, dance, or just clean your house. Just move more. Before we move on, hit subscribe and join the Lose Zone family. I'm here every week with new tips to help you stay focused, motivated, and strong. Mistake 11, setting unrealistic goals. Dropping 10 pounds in a week isn't real. Aim for 1-2 pounds a week and watch the momentum build. Mistake 12, not managing stress. Stress boosts cortisol, and that means more belly fat. Journal, pray, breathe, take care of your mind as well as your body. Mistake 13, drinking too much alcohol. One drink can add hundreds of calories and wreck your self-control. Mistake 14, skipping strength training. Cardio is great, but lifting weights burns fat even after you're done. Mistake 15, inconsistency. All or nothing doesn't work. Small, consistent steps win every time. Mistake 16, not drinking enough water. Sometimes you're not hungry, you're just dehydrated. Drink water before a meal and watch your cravings shrink. Mistake 17, eating too fast. Your brain needs 20 minutes to feel full. Slow down and you'll naturally eat less. Mistake 18, not planning meals. Meal prepping saves you time, money, and stress. It beats willpower every single day. I've got one more powerful tip coming up, so don't go anywhere. At Lose Zone, I'm not about gimmicks. This is a real community, supporting real people for real results. Drop a comment, share your goal, and let's support each other. You're not alone. Now here's the bonus. Swap fruit for snacks. Instead of chips or candy, grab an apple, banana, or some berries. Fruit is packed with natural sugars, fiber, and nutrients, and it'll satisfy your sweet tooth the healthy way. Thank you so much for watching. I'm with you on your journey. I believe in you, and may God bless you and see you through. Subscribe, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video right here on Lose Zone.